Phishing was a big challenge for us at T-Mobile, and so we had to find a new way to authenticate our users. We had cybersecurity challenges in the past, and we finally just put our foot down and said, no more. It's over.
So when we come up with a solution for how we need to protect their identities and get a relatively high level of assurance, we know the number one way to do that through multi-factor authentication. So we landed on a non-phishable credential called a FIDO2 token. In this case, it was Yubico and YubiKeys.
People love to just plug in the YubiKey and touch it, and it works. You don't have to unlock the YubiKey, you don't have to type a password into it. It works wonderful.
What I love about working with Yubico is the partnership. Yubico is an innovative company, they have great solutions, but at the end of the day, they're a true partner with KeyBank.